Today I will share how to turn any 2D logo into 3D using Canva. So let's start with it. So here in the elements I will search for any 2D logo. For example, I am searching for social media elements. So let's start with it. So let's start with Facebook logo. So let's choose this one. Okay, and just write here Instagram, and this is the Instagram logo. Let's use another two, which is YouTube, and another one, Pinterest. So now I will select all of them and I will just duplicate it and bring it here. So for the first two I will show one method, and for the other two I will show a different method. So let's start with this. So first I will click on this logo, click on edit, and scroll down. Here you will find style match. Click on see all and click on 3D art. And as you can see, there is a progress meter right here, and as the progress meter completes you will find the logo getting turned to 3D art. So for the Facebook it is done. Let's try for the Instagram. So these two are done. Now as I said, I will follow one process for this and another process for this two. So I will show you the second process, which is just click on this, click on copy style and just use it here. So as you can see, the Pinterest logo is also converted. Let's try for this YouTube. So as you can see, this both the process works, and you can try any one process and you can work accordingly. There is one basic problem with this process which I wanted to share with you, which is that if I want to use any element or logo which is not in this element panel and which I have custom made or custom downloaded, like if I use logo here, and this is a brand which I have worked with and this is their logo, and if I try the first method, which is I go to edit, I will not find any style match here, which I was finding here. This style match, which you can see, if I use a element from Canva, it is available, but it is not available here. So if I try to do the style match here, which is by copying this style and implementing here, it is also not possible. As you can see here, it is written style can't be pasted to this graphic, try a different graphic. So it doesn't currently work on logos which are downloaded outside from Canva or made outside from Canva, which is not present in the element library. Even another thing I want to show, which is if I go to apps and here I will write brand fetch, and here I can find any brand. As you can see, so many brand names are here. If I try to use these brands also, it will not work here. So you have to be limited in this skill, that you have to work only with Canva elements and the logos which are present in the Canva elements. If you want to make the custom logos into 3D, you can watch this video which is coming in this menu. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. And for more tutorials like this, please hit the bell icon so that you get notified instantly. Thank you.